So I came across this video today and the caption it says, Biko, is this real or AI? Meanwhile, this was done with AI, but an actual baby boy, a cute baby boy, you'd agree. What is common on TikTok is AI created babies, AI generated babies. But you can see from the video I just showed you on Instagram, that was an actual baby, an actual human baby. So you can actually create this kind of videos, be it you want to create it for fun using AI babies, or you just want to make your own child excited, or even yourself. If you want to create a dance video of yourself, you want to see how amazing it will look when you dance, you can try this out. So I'm going to show you how you can create these type of dance videos. So the first thing we'll do is generate our character. In case you want to use a baby, just like those viral ones you see, or you want to use yourself, but you do not have a picture of yourself, like where you are well positioned to replicate those dance steps. What you just need to do is generate an image of yourself, an AI picture for yourself. So, and the tool we'll be using is Whisk to generate images. In case you don't know how to get on Whisk, just go to your browser and search Google Labs. Google Labs. You see the tool here, Whisk. So just click on it. So of course I'm already signed up, and when you open it, this is what you'll see. So you just click on enter tool, which is where you'll be entering your prompts to create your images. And all right, so I already have prompts to create my image. In case you want to have access to this prompt, just let me know and I'll share with you. So here is my prompt. I've prepared it. So first we are creating a baby. So I just call my copy my prompt. I also taught how to create detailed prompts, although this prompt was created by me. But in my other video, I taught how you can generate a detailed prompt in order to give you a desired image. So once you paste your prompt here, for this video we want to create, because it's for social media, it has to be in 9 by 16 portrait mode. That's what is suitable for TikTok and the likes. But if you're creating for YouTube, it has to be 16 by 9, and you can also use square mode, aspect ratio 1 by 1. So like I was saying, just click on portrait because you are creating for social media, aspect ratio 9 by 16. Click on it and click on generate. This arrow forward is what you click on. And in case you're using your phone, is exactly the same thing. Just search for Google Labs, click on Whisk, and that's it. We've generated a baby character. How cute. I just love Whisk because it will always give you very realistic result. So here, look at it. Can click to view. Yeah, I think I love this one. It is really cute. Look at our cute baby girl. And yeah, you just download. And there you have it. This is the baby character we'll be using for our dance. Now, in case you want to create for yourself, I have also created a prompt you can use to create your own image. So let's copy the prompt. We go back to, so in order to use your own image, in order to create your own picture, of course you'll be needing a picture of yourself, and this is where you are going to upload it. This add images, click on it and you see subject. So you see upload image here. just click on it to upload a picture of yourself that you'll be using to generate an image of yourself. So I'm uploading my own picture, analyzing image, and here's the prompt. While it's analyzing the image, it says using exact face attached, no alteration, only elevate the makeup. That's what I want you to do. I say create a full picture of a beautiful African woman with a caramel skin, blah 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 blah. Yeah, this is the um prompt. It has finished analyzing the image. Just like I said before, check that it is on portrait. Also, here, ensure that this is on precise reference. Ensure that it is turned on, because this is what will enable the nano banana feature to create your own image just like you want it. So here, all the specification I want, the outfit, the look, the space, everything, I have stated it in this prompt to give a detailed prompt so we can get a perfect image. So as I said before, just click on the arrow. Let's wait for it to generate. Okay, let's see. I'll tell you why I chose this outfit, because of the dance we want to recreate. So you'll see in a short while now. Well, let's see the one I prefer. This is nice. They are both cute actually. Yeah, love them. All right, I'll go with this one. Then just come and download your image. In case you do not want any of this, all you need to do is just keep generating. And this thing is addictive. Like I said in my previous video, it is really addictive. You just want to keep seeing what it's giving you. All right, so we have that downloaded. Let's see. Okay, I think I love this. It's going to be perfect for this dance. Look at the environment, spacious and all of that. That's exactly my specification. Next is to go to our tool where we are going to be creating the dance moves. Okay, so just before we go to the tool where we will be creating the dance moves, this is the image I created. This does not exactly look like me in body, but this is my face. And why I'm letting you know this is because I made a video already where I explained how you can get a detailed prompt that will give you your exact body using ChatGPT. You can check my previous video out. The next tool we are using where the dance magic is going to happen is Kling AI, and this is the interface. How to get on Kling? Just go to your browser and search Kling AI. All right, just go further. You see other AI that are linked to Kling, but to go to the real Kling AI, just go further and you see Kling AI itself here. Click on it, and yeah, this is the interface you'll see once it finishes loading. All right, so just click on create now, and it will bring you here. You click on AI video generator. Right, this is my other creation. Really fancy. This is my other creation. Let's just ignore that. All right, so once you click on video generator, the one you are using is motion control. So we click on motion control. So we are using motion control for this particular dance move. So we're using motion control to replicate and get our dance move. Now, here you are adding video of character actions to mimic. All right. So the dance video that you have already downloaded from social media that you want to replicate, this is where you'll be uploading it. And your own character, either the baby character or your own AI character or yourself, anyone you want to use, this is where you'll be uploading it. Let's upload our reference video. So I already downloaded and named the video, and here it is. So because you are using free version of Kling, you cannot upload a video that is more than 30 seconds. So that video I uploaded is just about 27 seconds. So let's wait for it to upload. Our video has finished uploading. Just look at the moves. Look at that. So I muted it to avoid any kind of copyright issue. I just went on TikTok, searched for dance videos, and this amazing creator's video popped up. She is such a great dancer, you'd agree. And along the line as well, I changed my mind from using a baby character. I choose to use an elderly person. Like imagine seeing a grandma dancing. Let me show you what my character looks like. Look at her. Look at the cute grandma. So imagine seeing the grandma with this kind of dance moves. It will also be very fascinating. So I just thought to do something different from what every other person is doing. So now let's upload our character. Okay, and let's see the magic Kling is about to do. Okay, our grandma is here. Now we are generating on standard one output, of course. Yeah, so you see it's going to cost 145 credits. Earlier, I was recording and discovered I did not have enough credit. That's why I had to abort that and continue. So you would see here that I have 166 credits with a fresh login. Yeah, it's a fresh login. I know that a lot of creators might hide that fact from us, but because we are not gatekeeping anything here, if you log in with a fresh account, you get new credits. If not, you'd have to pay to generate more videos. And yeah, let's get right into it. This is the prompt. Let me talk about the prompt. This is the prompt we'll be using. So here's the prompt. You can just copy it. You can screenshot this and keep it somewhere so you can use it over and over again. So let's wait for it to generate. And guys, our video is ready. Just look at this. Ah, I wish I can just play this with a sound so you can see the sync. You can see, this is truly amazing. You know, when I was generating the image, I specified that I want a grandma looking like an athlete because I know that this dance requires a lot of energy and to be more believable when they see someone this old with an athletic body. They will believe naturally. It will be easy to believe that she is naturally an athlete and a very strong person, even at her old age. Hmm, AI is amazing. So that's it, guys. Just hit the download here to download your video. And there you go. You can post your video on social media to catch your audience and even get monetized with it. I just thought to show you the original creators video and we'll see what Kling AI generated. Let's watch the original clip first. So it's an amapiano sound actually. So you can already imagine the energy. And this dancer is so amazing. Her this is her TikTok name. So you can just search for Tara on TikTok. She's an amazing dancer. I watched several of her videos as well, but I love this one in particular. So you can see the moves. Just look at that. Look at the energy. Mm-hmm. So watch what Kling also created to see how it matches. And this is the magic Kling created. Let's watch it. Look at our grandma with the energy. So you can see why I decided not to use a baby and use this grandma instead, because it actually is more believable this way. Using a baby would be kind of off. Having a baby exerts so much energy like this for a dance video. So yeah, that's it guys. Thanks for watching.